Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today with me is another 10th class topper from 2024 board exams. Today in this video we will look into some important points a student should focus on during his preparation in 10th class and the routine which toppers follows which help them perform outstanding among all other students. So Shravani, congratulations on your outstanding performance in 10th class. First introduce yourself and then we will carry on the discussion further.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for your warm wishes. Hello, everyone. My name is Shravani Agarwal from St. Anthony Senior Secondary School, Fatehgarh. I secured 95% in my 10th board examination. For the coaching of science and maths, I studied at Opportunity Educators under the guidance of Kamal Bhaiya.
So Shravani, before we go into the deep discussion about how did you study and what did you study in your 10th class, first tell what was the routine of 24 hours when you were in your 10th class?
So, I don't believe in studying for long hours and getting less output, but I believe in studying according to a capability and getting more result. I am always a morning person. I used to do studies in the morning. So, I used to wake up around 4 a.m. in the morning and start my day by studying science and social science for the next 2 hours. After that, I used to go to the school. After coming back from the school, I again take some break and then went to the coaching of science and maths by Kamal Bhaiya. After coming back from the coaching, I take some rest and then start my studies by doing all the homeworks of the school and the coaching classes. After doing all the homeworks, I practice self-reading of English and Hindi from the NCERT. Then I practice the questions of maths. After that, by doing all the revisions of what I studied in the whole day, I bind up my studies.
So Shravani, let's start subject wise. Tell how did you prepare all 5 subjects of 10th class, Hindi, English, Math, Science and Social Science? What was your strategy and which books you followed? Tell us so that junior students and the coming student in the 10th class get guidance from your strategy.
In science, I secured 98 marks. For science, I studied from NCERT and the notes which were dictated by Kamal Bhaiya, and 2 to 3 months before the exam, I used Oswal study material which helped me to practice more and more questions. And attending all the classes is very important for scoring good marks in science. In maths, I secured 97 marks. I practiced NCERT and after completing a chapter from NCERT, I practiced it from R.S. Agarwal which was guided by Kamal Bhaiya, and around 2 to 3 months before the exam, I practiced Oswal question bank which helped me to practice more and more questions which helped me in my exams. In Hindi, I secured 90 marks. For Hindi, I used to read each and every chapter from the NCERT and mark up all the important lines and the words. And for the summary of the chapter, I listened attentively to all the classes taught by my teachers in the school. And for Hindi grammar, I studied from different kinds of books like Vyakran Pravah and also used YouTube to practice more and more questions. In English, I secured 97 marks. For English also, I used to read each and every chapter from the NCERT and mark up all the important lines and the words. And for the competency based questions, subjective questions, I use different books and also different YouTube channels to practice questions. In social science, I secured 93 marks reading each and every chapter from the NCERT and underlining all the important words and the lines or the dates is very important. And for practicing more questions like MCQ questions, case-based questions or subjective questions, I use EduCard study material.
So Shravani, during whole year, different tests are conducted, sometimes in schools and in coachings. So how do you think these tests are important? How they affect your preparation?
Yes, tests are very important in both school and coaching because with the help of tests, we get to know about our performance in the academics and accordingly we can see our mistakes and improve our mistakes. So, and tests also help me to improve my writing speed. So, being attentive in tests is very important.
So Shravani, in today's time, there are different platforms. There are various online coaching platforms, and there are different offline coaching institutes around you. So, which one of them are good according to you?
According to me, both offline and online coachings are important because for all subjects, offline classes are not available. So, online and offline platforms both are important for a student. And but according to me, offline classes have more clarity of topic as the teacher keeps an eye on the student and we can ask our doubts to the respected teachers without any hesitation or problem.
So Shravani, along with the school, many students join coachings also and study there. Do you think these coachings are important in studies? And also, if someone wishes to join any coaching institute, then which criterion and which parameters should be kept in mind before choosing a right coaching institute?
Yes, coaching plays an important role in the studies. With the help of coaching, we get to know and understand the topics more clearly and can ask our doubts to the respected teachers without any hesitation. And also, extra classes of coaching are also very important because in the extra classes, we get to know many other things which are outside our syllabus and they are also important in the exams. Selecting a right coaching is also very important because coaching helps you in changing your future and helps you walk on the right path. So selecting a coaching is important. Your criteria should not be big banners, holdings and other things, but you should also check the authenticity of the coaching and you should ask your brothers, sisters or the elder ones who have studied from the coaching, then only you should select a right coaching for yourself.
So Shravani, in your 10th class, did you follow anything of your interest like playing games, actually sports or mobile games or spending time on social media like Facebook, Instagram or anything else?
Yes, in my free time I used to watch mobile phone or use social media apps but only for a limited time. Sometimes I used to go out with my family to freshen up my mind so that I can study attentively.
Shravani, any specific advice you wish to give to your juniors which might be helpful to them in their studies?
Studying for long hours and being distracted in that time is a waste. But you should study for less hours but with full concentration and without any distraction will give you more results.
सो श्रावणी, आपका 10th हो चुका है, आपका रिजल्ट भी आ गया है, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया आपने, पर 10th के बाद अभी 11th में आगे कौन सी स्ट्रीम चुननी है और आगे उसमें आपने क्या प्लान कर रखा है, तो वो शेयर करें जरा.
10th के बाद I have decided to opt for commerce so that I can start my CA journey. Thank you.
Okay Shravani, thank you very much and best of luck for your future. May God bless you.